Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this elegant holiday wreath. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take my silver Bowdabra bow wire, lay that into the Bowdabra. I've already folded it in half and I'm just tucking the ends underneath. Then I'm going to take a piece of my silver mesh, and then I have these really pretty silver picks. We're just going to lay those down in here. And then I have these really pretty blue picks. We're going to lay those down in here. And now I'm going to take my snowflake ribbon and my gleam ribbon, which are both available on our website. We're going to fold these back and forth and twist. And we're just going to fold it because I want to make sure that I have the right side of the ribbon on the outside of my loop. Fold that back, and let's just come in here, and then we're just going to finish up this, and there we have our 4-loop bow. Let's just pull that in there, and then I'm going to take my let's fold this in half, just kind of that out there. Put my ornaments and lay those in there, and then I'm going to take my pick here, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to fold that in half, and I think this just makes a really elegant bow that will go on the wreath. So, or it could just be a bow by itself, be a beautiful wedding present bow. And now we're just going to pull this through here and hold the Bowdabra, the bow tight while it's still in the Bowdabra. I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to separate my ends, bring it around to the back, and I'm going to tie a knot and double knot it. And then I'm going to tie this bow onto my wreath, and I'm just going to tie it actually into a bow so that if I want to give this as a gift, somebody can save the wreath and save the bow for another use. And then now I'm just going to bring this down over here and shape out all of my little pieces that I have in here. Bring this here, bring my little ornaments over here. And please do me a favor, don't forget to share this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Facebook. And now you have this completed, beautiful wreath bow.